Hey everybody, welcome back to another day trip video. This little spot here marks the beginning or end of the East Verde River Trail near Payson, Arizona. I say that because it really depends on which direction you're coming from. I decided not to run this trail today and instead head up a little bit higher in elevation to take on the Strawberry to Pine Trail. It's rated about a 2 out of 10 on Onyx, pretty mellow, but I wanted something that winds through the pines. Still, it's good to know that this trail's right here and it definitely looks like a fun one when you have time. Alright, let's hit the road and check out Strawberry to Pine. This is what I mean by pines. The drive out here was absolutely beautiful. Now we're cruising through some incredible scenery surrounded by tall trees and that fresh mountain air. The route getting here was great too. I passed through a few small towns along the way, each with some solid spots to grab a bite after the trail. Even drove by a few ranches with livestock out in the open fields. Really makes you feel connected with nature again. I didn't air down at the start since this trail is pretty easy, but about halfway through, the ride got a little bumpy, so I decided to air down a bit, mostly to keep the dogs from getting car sick. I will point out that my wife picked out this trail for us to do, so kudos to her. So I decided to stop here at this little clearing and feed the pets. So I gave one of them the benefit of the doubt that she would behave and wait for her food, but clearly here you can see she nearly knocks the table over and sneaks a couple bites. So then I put it up and I'm trying to get the other dog out, but he's kind of not making it easy as well because they're starving and they're French bulldogs. But anyways, so she forgets that she has food and wanders off and just starts sniffing a dead carcass. I had to rush over and pick her up before she starts chewing on the thing and getting sick. Who knows what kind of diseases that carcass had on it. So I found this cool little old corral. Wonder when this thing was made because it looks pretty old. Screaming tetanus all over it. So we spotted some cattle grazing out here. But anyways, I'm gonna shut up and let you watch the rest here. appreciate you watching all the way through. If you enjoyed, please give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more Arizona adventures. Hope to see you out there on the trails, enjoying this beautiful state as much as I do.